Hey guys, so here is a training video on how to complete one of the Moss software training activities here in MindTap. If you take a quick peek, you will notice that chapter 25 is very large. So for instance, like when you look at the assignment sheet, you're going to see an astounding amount of activities within this Moss software. Electronic health records are a critical component in medical assisting education, and it is really important that you complete these activities, as these are skills that you do get checked off on, throughout the 2 years. So due to the extended closure, we are going to be starting into your electronic health records training. So once you get done with the first activities here in the chapter, and you've read the chapter and you've looked at the presentation that I've posted on Classroom, you're going to click on the activity. So, okay, let's see. Wait on it to load. You're going to go to Start Assignment Now. And then it's going to take you through the different information. In this activity, you will search for the patient. Okay, so look for the patient client in the top menu and select New Search under it. You will always see the steps on what you are to complete here on the right-hand side in this column with green at the top and bottom. So it's telling us to go to patient client up here in the top. This is your top menu. This is where everything kind of is localized. And then you're going to go to New Search. And then first select the source document, transcript audio, and view or hear the telephone interview with the patient. So this is the source document. It gives you a recording of the phone call between the medical assistant and the patient, and it also gives you a transcript of the conversation. You can download this as a PDF so that you don't have to continuously pull the document up, and I have that right here on the left-hand side of my screen. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to enter the patient's first and last name in the name fields. So the patient's first name is Alejandra, and her last name is Alvarez. Okay, so now that we've typed that into the box, you see that it is correct because it has the green check mark and the green around the box. So we're going to hit search. It says no records found. So now we're going to fill in the who, contact, choices, and insurance sections of the form for Mrs. Alejandra Alvarez using the information provided in the source document audio, which again, you have to listen to the audio or you read the audio, but I make a PDF copy of it and I have it here so that I can access it quickly without having to move through my screen a lot. So the first section we're going to fill out is the who. So as you can see, let me move this over a little bit. Alejandra Alvarez, her date of birth is October 13th, 1942. Ooh. Okay, so you want to type it like that, 10/13/1942. We do not have her social security number, so we're going to hit tab and we're going to continue tabbing through the options. Marital status. It says down here that Mrs. Alvarez is a widow. So we're going to click the drop down box and select widowed. She is female, so we will select female. And then we will continue to the contact section. So the contact section is going to be her daughter, Judy Alvarez. She is the one who is listed as the emergency contact. So let's see, actually, no, I'm sorry. Judy goes down here. So we're going to go ahead and type Judy down here. And then we're going to put her phone number, which is listed right here. 123-555-0100. All right, 123-555-0100. Okay, and then this is her daughter, so we're going to put that in there. But now we're going to go ahead and put Mrs. Alvarez's address in here. As you can see, it's 3204 Franklin Street. You're going to hit tab and you're going to type in apartment 401. You always want to abbreviate. You don't want to type out apartment in full. And then it's Wellstone, so we're going to type in Wellstone. And the state is Colorado, so you would go to here, and I can't remember my alphabet. There we go. And then the zip code is 80055. 80055. She has a cell phone number, which is 123-555-0165. No home phone number, so we'll leave those blank. And then the contact email is her daughter's email, Alvarez Saenz at example.com. So we'll just type in AALVAREZSANEZ at example.com. It will tell you if you don't have the information correct. It will not let you proceed. So don't worry about that. Okay, so the choices section is going to be who is the provider. So she wants to see Dr. Gill. So we're going to put Dr. Gill, which is Raj. His first name is Raj. And we know that Dr. Barnes right here referred her to Dr. Gill. So we're going to put referred by Dr. Barnes. And then we're going to scroll through here and see if there's any pharmacy information. Let's see. I don't see any pharmacy information, so we'll pass that. We won't be doing this until the patient comes in. A lot of this we're not going to be able to fill out at this current time. Let's see. Immunization. Okay. So then we will go to the insurance section, which is down here, and we're going to add primary insurance. So let's go up here. It says, last question, do you have insurance? Yes, I have two, Medicare and a supplemental insurance. Do you have your Medicare card or number? Yes, the Medicare number is blah, 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 blah. So we will add, the insurance company as Medicare, and the plan name, we don't know. I believe it's this one right here. And then the policy number is 999-00-5656. And you're going to, oh, see, I didn't type it right. 999 space 00 space 5656. Okay, apparently we have to use the dashes. 999 dash 00 dash 5656. That is not the correct policy number. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay, 999-00-5656A. See, now it works. Okay. The effective date, we don't know. And there is no group number. So the policy holder is, there is none. She's retired. So if unemployed, ever, student, PT, or leave blank, we don't have this information as well. The policy holder would then be Alejandra Alvarez. And then the patient's relationship is self. And then it automatically populates the remainder of that section's information once you've compiled that in there, or once you've typed in that it's self information. She does state in this message that she has a secondary insurance. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna see, okay, so she reads it back to her, and then, yes, that's right. Can you tell me if Dr. Gill is a Medicare doctor? Yes, Dr. Gill participates with Medicare. No worries. What is the name of your secondary insurance? That is called Senior Gap. So we go over here and we look for Senior Gap. I don't see that. So we're going to put, oh, Century Senior Gap right there. Okay. And then I think it's a Medigap plan that pays second. Yes, I'm familiar with it. Do you have an ID and group numbers? Yes. So the plan name would be the same here, Century Senior Gap. And then the policy number is 999-00-5656-SG. Okay. And then the group number is, let me scroll this over just a little bit, HCFA 99900, and that's it. Okay. There is no effective date. And the policy holder, it's not through an employer, so you would leave this section blank. And then again, it is, I don't know why 90 keeps popping up there, Alejandra Alvarez, and then patient relationship is self. Okay, so then again, it populates that information. So once you've completed these sections, it tells you here in your steps to then select create new patient. So, we've completed the activity. That's it. That is the whole thing that you are to do for this section. So once you've done that and it says you've completed the activity, you're going to go up here and close the activity out. And then you will see, it'll show you it should show you that you've submitted it. It won't show that for me because I'm the teacher. But that information is right here. Same thing with the next one. You're going to go through. I'm not going to go through this entire activity with you as we don't really have, I only have 15 minutes on this recording app, so I can't go through every single one. But same thing, you're going to click on the activity. It's going to give you the information. Please be mindful to read these steps 100% all the time, okay? You cannot successfully complete this module and these activities if you don't read these steps. It'll continuously pop up and say that action is not supported, or like for instance, okay, so it's telling us to click on patient client. I'm going to click on globals. Oop. This selection will not help you to complete this step. Please select hint for suggestions on how to proceed. Try again. So maybe I need a hint. I'm going to click hint, and then it shows you what you need to do. Select new, search under patient right here, and then you do it, and then it moves you to the next step. You will not be able to move to the next step until you have successfully completed the first step. It'll automatically move steps over here on the right-hand side. This is your holy grail. This is where every piece of information you need will be directed to. So again, source document. This is another video, another message. You can listen to the message. You can listen to it. You can download it. You can print it. I would recommend that you just download it as a PDF on your Chromebook. And if you have questions on any of this, just let me know. I'm available via Remind. If you are not in the Remind group, you please add yourself or message me on our email so that I can add you. I hope you're all doing well, and I will continue updating you with videos throughout the next few weeks. Bye.